very, very bad. Very, very bad grass. Oh, it's so unfortunate. It's small, but yeah, it's not good. You know, guys, this kind of, I don't know if you see it, this kind of grass, this one, we call this here in our term daat, and it's so sharp. Yeah, like this. This is look like this. By the way, the weather is not good. It's about to rain, and for this one, since I don't have a a betadine or disinfectant to protect this, what I have here is this guava tree. We are going to look for a young leaf. So this is what we are going to do. So yeah, it's bleeding, but not much, but it's hurt. So there's no other young leaves than this. Okay. Oh, here. Here. So this kind of leaf. So I guess it's clean because the area is not polluted. So we will just chew this. And then it's look disgusting and nasty, but so that's what it looks. It is a small cut, but it's not good because I forgot to bring a gloves. And by the way, today is rainy day, so I did not do harvesting the latex because yesterday we harvest a rubber latex. So this is we call here pansit. So we harvest a rubber latex yesterday, and then it was raining. Fortunately, the latex was already coagulate or hardened, but there are some of the container is not yet hard, so some of the latex was washed out. And today, instead of harvesting, because it's raining, I do this clean up. I finish because yesterday I do the first block of the rubber. So here, this is yesterday. So today I will do the rest. It's hurting. It's like a little bit painful because this kind of grass, it's all like this. It has like a blade, if you can see. Yeah, it has a blade. This is fern, but this one, excuse me, it has a blade. Oh. Do you what happened to you? I just remove your, what they call this in English, rubber stripe, I forgot, and then produce a latex. So let's continue. Let's continue this. Okay. We cut this, guys. So the blade is stuck because of the guava. See? So okay. Guys. Oh. So, I'm not seeing like this. It's really cloudy today. Look at my background. See? It's very, very cloudy. It is, well, my lens is fine. But, and then, we make liquid first. So this is the liquiton. So, this is how we work here. There's a lot of flies, guys. Flies, mosquitoes. Luckily, there is no hornet bee as of the moment. But I didn't see any hornet bee hive here. So I guess they are not around in the farm. So, they're so itchy, guys. Oh, a lot of mosquitoes here. Not good mosquito. Mosquitoes are very, very bad. Let's go here. Oh, it's nice. The reflection of the, what we call this here in Visaya, trapal. It's nice to my face lock. Yeah. Water is here. But really, I like the effect. See? So let's go back. Let's go, go, go. Oh my goodness. So this is the second block. It's already done. And for this are those trees that tall, so much tall, almost the height of the rubber. We don't cut them off. We just make like this. So they will, you know, they will die. I don't know if that's the correct term, but yes, because if we're going to cut it off, once they fell down, we might damage the branches or a branch of a rubber, and we won't, or we don't want that happen. And for this one, this is big. This is a good tree. It can be used for the lumber for houses. So let them be. And you know, I really feel sorry for the birds here, because this tree is a fig tree, as you can see, and this is very essential to them because there are birds that eat this. But anyways, there's still a lot of fig trees around here, but I just feel sorry for them because I cut their, or I might destroy one of their source of food. And so yeah, let's go to our campo ba. So camp, let's go here and take a rest because it's a lunchtime. So yeah, this is our campo. Now I have a swing here, and let's take off our clothes. And if forever at So this is where I stay for those first time watching my video. Stay here. And of course, I hate the mosquitoes because they are everywhere. We have this off lotion, and I hate them because they are biting your ears, your back of your neck. So repellent. So that's it. Because we take a rest for a while, then after what we call this, lunch, hopefully there is no rain, because I will going to continue to clean and cut the other block. Yes, there is the ants in my what do you call this, screen. But yeah, thank you so much, and have a nice day everyone. Thank you so much for watching.